Hi students, in previous lecture we have discussed Wavy curve method of intervals, but of course we have taken a polynomial f of x. We have seen case by case when it has only one linear factor, for what values of x that expression is positive, negative, 0, and when it has two factors, for what values of x it is a positive, negative and equal to 0, and if it has more than two factors also we have seen in previous class. And even we have seen that other cases, if f of x has more than two factors, even powers of those linear factors may be even or odd. For odd factors means the wavy curve which we have drawn will intersect and crosses x-axis, whereas for even factor means that wavy curve will touch x-axis and it will remain same on left hand side and right hand side of that 0, where power of that 0 is even. Now today we will be looking at sign of rational functions, means of the form f of x by g of x, when it is greater than 0 and when it is less than 0 and when it is equal to 0, all these cases we will see. But of course first we will start with a very simple rational function. If I take f of x is equal to x by x minus 1. Now I need values of x where this f of x greater than 0, this f of x less than 0 and this f of x equal to 0. Now see this. Suppose I want values of x where f of x greater than 0. That implies here x by x minus 1 greater than 0. Observe this. First foremost point you need to remember is whenever f of x by g of x form is there, it is defined only when g of x not equal to 0. That is a basic point you must remember before trying to solve these type of problems. Because whenever g of x is equal to 0 means denominator will become 0, this rational function is not defined for the values of x where it is equal to 0. That's why you must take care that denominator g of x not equal to 0. Therefore here x by x minus 1, x by x minus 1 greater than 0 I want, of course x not equal to 1. That is, while finding solution set of this inequality, even if this 1 is included in this, you must delete that one, you must exclude that one from the solution set, if at all, if it is included in this while finding the solution of this one. Okay, that we will see later. Observe this. X by x minus 1 greater than 0 we want. That is, it is of the form numerator by denominator greater than 0 I want. Numerator by denominator greater than 0, you can observe either both are positive or both are negative. Either numerator positive, denominator positive, numerator by denominator positive, or numerator negative, denominator negative, numerator by denominator means it is a positive only. Therefore, to get numerator by denominator greater than 0 means both must have same sign. Either both are positive or both are negative. 1 second here. Either both are positive or both are negative, I can write their product numerator into denominator also greater than 0, where denominator not equal to 0 I have to write. Hope you understood this. Either both are positive or both are negative, this product is greater than 0 only. and of course because it is in the denominator, that denominator not equal to 0. Therefore, now coming to this one, because x by x minus 1 greater than 0 means I can write x into x minus 1 greater than 0, and where x not equal to 1. Don't forget to write that one, x into x minus 1 greater than 0. Now it is our usual, known formula where we have done problems. It is of the form x minus a into x minus b greater than 0. X minus a into x minus b greater than 0 means we know x belong to minus infinity comma a union b comma infinity. You know this formula? This one already we have seen. Because x into x minus 1 greater than 0 implies x belong to minus infinity comma 0 union 1 comma infinity. In fact, that curve only I will draw it. Here x axis, you mark zeros. What are the zeros here? 0 and 1. As usual, we know if zeros of these are 0 comma 1, mark on the real line, because powers of these are odd, 1 and 1 only. Extreme right it is positive, next it is negative, next it is a positive, and draw wavy curve. Because all powers of these factors are odd only, it will cross x axis at both the zeros. Therefore, now collect the values of x where it is positive. Where it is positive, here minus infinity to 0, union 1 to infinity. But of course, when it has only two factors means straight away you can write this solution, or otherwise you can go with this one. Here you observe, what is the denominator x minus 1, x not equal to 1? Of course, x not equal to 1. And if you see the solution, x belong to minus infinity comma 0 union 1 comma infinity. Anyhow, that 1 is not included. Therefore, no problem for us. We can write as it is. Minus infinity comma 0 union 1 comma infinity. Suppose this x by x minus 1, I want greater than or equal to 0. And of course, greater than or equal to 0 means here also x not equal to 1 you have to write. And the same reason, numerator by denominator means either both are positive or both are negative. I can take x into x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 where x not equal to 1. Now wavy curve method means this one only, and here it is a plus, minus and plus. I want greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, if you ignore this and if you write as it is of the form x minus alpha into x minus beta, x belong to minus infinity comma 0 union 1 comma infinity we will write. But actual given expression is x by x minus 1 where x not equal to 1. Therefore, but while writing this one I have included 1. You need to subtract that 1 means minus set 1 I have to write because it is in the denominator. That implies x belong to minus infinity comma closed 0 union open 1 comma infinity will be the required solution for this inequality. Here you see numerator by denominator, I have taken numerator into denominator greater than 0. But actually to make you understand I have written numerator by denominator means numerator into denominator, but you need not take that one. As it is x by x minus 1, no, observe what are the zeros of this polynomial f of x equal to 0 and g of x zeros you find, and mark all those zeros on a real line. Positive means where it is positive you see, negative means where it is negative you see, and collect the intervals. Hope you understood this one, and we will see similar model problem so that you can understand in a better way. Now we will see one more problem. Suppose x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 5. I want this one less than 0. Right. Now numerator and denominator. Negative I want, Numerator by denominator negative means one positive and one negative. Numerator positive means denominator negative, numerator negative means denominator positive. This is the possibility. That is, both numerator and denominator must have opposite signs. Numerator and denominator opposite signs means if I multiply them, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5 must be less than 0, where x not equal to 5 because it is in the denominator. And this type of problems already we have handled. What are the zeros here? 1, 2 and 5. Take a real line, mark these here 1, 2 and 5. Extreme right positive, next negative, because all the powers are odd, 1, 1, 1 only. Here it is positive and here it is negative. Draw the wavy curve. This is the wavy curve. Now collect the values of x where it is a negative. Negative means this side negative and here it is a negative. Therefore, x belong to minus infinity comma 1 open interval because less than 0 union open interval 2 comma 5. That's all. These are the values of x for it is negative. And observe, here it is x not equal to 5, that 5 included or not. Yes, here 5 open interval not included, no problem. Therefore, final solution set is this one. Already I told you need not write numerator into denominator less than 0. From next problem onwards, we will keep as it is numerator and denominator, and we will mark the points on real axis, I mean zeros, and we will collect the intervals where it is positive or negative. Suppose this problem only, if I take x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 5, if I want greater than or equal to 0. See, already we have drawn wavy curve for that. I need greater than or equal to 0 positive. Where it is positive? Yes, this portion it is positive and this portion it is positive. Therefore, I will collect the values of x. X belong to, here it is greater than or equal to 0 means 1, 2, 2 both closed, union, and here it is 5 is there, 5 to infinity. But of course, in this denominator 5 is there, that 5 should not be included, minus set 5 I will write, or that implies x belong to 1 comma 2 union open 5 to infinity. Therefore, these are the values of x where it is greater than or equal to 0. And next, one more problem we will see. In the next problem, we will not write numerator into denominator, directly as it is I will write. And how to take care of these denominators and numerators also we will see without writing this x not equal to 5 and so on. Now, x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 5 by x plus 1 into x into x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. I want this solution set. Right. It is of the form f of x by g of x, means a rational function greater than or equal to 0. Straight away we are going to write wavy curve. We are going to draw wavy curve for this. What are the zeros you see? Minus 2, 1, 5, minus 1, 0, 4. Take a real line. Observe this. Numerator, whatever zeros are there, if you are writing solution means those values can be included. Whereas a denominator g of x zeros are there, no, because it is in the denominator, those zeros should not be included, and these zeros are there, no, minus 1, 0 and 4, these are called points of discontinuity. Points of discontinuity. means because it is in the denominator, at that point you cannot draw the curve. Therefore, that's why we call it these points a denominator point, values of x where denominator equal to 0 are points of discontinuities. At any cost, those should not be included in our solution, which we are going to write. Right. Now, I will mark all these zeros on the real line, but of course, while marking all these zeros on the real line, I will take care. If it is 0 of the numerator, I will mark it with a dark circle. And if it is 0 of the denominator, then I will mark with open circle, so that dark circle can be included and open circle should not be included. First I will write -2, -1, 0, 1, 4 and 5. These are the zeros of numerator and denominator. Total 6 are there. I wrote in increasing order. See here, -1 is there, that is in the denominator. Therefore, I will mark it with open circle. 0 is there. Yes, I will mark it with open circle. And 4 is also there. I will mark it with open circle. Means these three, if at all, these three values should not be included in the solution. If you are writing solution set of that inequality, that care must be taken. Open circles means that point never be included in the solution. And the next one, yes, because it is the 0 of numerator, it is also 0 of numerator. It is also 0 of numerator, no problem with that. If it is there means you can write in the solution. Right. Now observe this. Powers of all these factors are one only, that odd. While drawing the wavy curve, it crosses from positive to negative or negative to positive at those zeros of this polynomial, this rational function. If power of any factor is even, means at that particular 0, that curve will touch and will remain on the same side of the curve, x-axis, where we have discussed that one clearly in the previous lecture. One must remember that point. Therefore, here you see extreme right, yes, always it is positive, because all powers of these linear factors are odd, that is 1. You can straight away write plus, next minus sign, next plus sign, next minus sign, next plus sign, next minus sign and next plus sign. Now draw wavy curve. Yes, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Yes, this is the wavy curve. Now collect the values where it is greater than or equal to 0. Positive means yes, this is the portion, where it lies above x-axis. It is real axis, means x-axis only. And next, this is the interval, and this is the interval, and this is the interval. Now I can write x belongs to -infinity, -2. Yes, -2 can be included because it is the dark circle. Greater than or equal to 0 I want that expression positive or equal to 0. And next, coming to this interval, -1 to 0, both are open circles, means union should not be included these ends. Yes, -1 to 0. Next to positive in this interval 1 to 4, observe 1 is a dark circle and 4 is open circle. Indicates 1 is the 0 of the numerator. You can substitute it is equal to 1, it will become 0, will satisfy. And whereas 4 in the denominator, you should not substitute this one here because it is not defined, that's why open circle. It is union closed 1 to open 4. Union and this interval 5 dark circle means closed 5 to infinity will be the solution set. If you understand the concept, within no time you can write solution of this one. Hope you understood. See, write all the zeros of the polynomial, numerator and denominator all, and arrange in the ascending order of magnitude. And observe zeros of the denominator. Mark zeros of denominator with open circles on real axis and with dark circles for zeros of the numerator. And now draw the wavy curve. Greater than 0 means no problem, because all are excluded, only these points. Equal to 0 is there means dark circles can be included and open circles never be included. That is, these are the points of discontinuity, should not be included in our solution. We will move to the next one. After explaining one more problem, I will give generalization for this. We will move to the next problem. X minus 1 whole cube, x minus 2 whole square, x power 4 by 2x minus 1 whole power 2, 3x plus 1 whole power 5 into x plus 2 whole power 4 less than or equal to 0. That's we are doing next level problem. Right, numerator and denominator are all there. First let us write zeros. Numerator 1, 2, 0. Denominator 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 2. First let me write in increasing order. Minus 2 is there, minus 1 by 3 is there, 0, 1 by 2, 1 and 2. Yes, 6 zeros are there, 3 and 3. Take a real line. First mark all these. What are the denominator zeros? 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 and minus 2. Minus 2. First let me mark all these. Minus 2, minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 2, 1 and 2. Right, now observe what are points of discontinuities, that is zeros of the denominator. 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 and next minus 2. Yes, these are the zeros of the denominator, therefore you mark with open circles. And next remaining are zeros of the numerator, should be dark circles. That is, what is the meaning while writing solution? If equal to 0 is there, then these dark circles can be included, should be included, and open circles should not be included. That is the meaning. To distinguish between them, I am writing open circles and dark circles. And now observe this. Extreme right always positive. Why? Because we have written in the form x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma and so on, all x minus 1. Whatever the value you substitute, extreme right, suppose if you take 3 minus 1 positive, 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 therefore positive by positive means it is positive only. That discussion in detail already we have done in previous problems. Therefore, extreme right it is positive. There is no problem with this. Now, if at all, if you write some of the expressions in the form 1 minus x is there, Then you multiply with x, already we have done the type problem, multiply with x, I mean multiply with minus sign and make it in the form x minus alpha, x minus beta and so on. While multiplying, if you multiply with odd number of times minus sign, then this inequality will change, and even number of times means that inequality will remain same. Less than means less than, greater than means greater than, less than or equal to means less than or equal to only it will be. But of course, if you want to do by keeping that as it is, yes, it may be 1 minus x whole cube, but in that case you need to check the sign of that value of the expression of the form f of x by g of x at rightmost value, greater than the value of rightmost. That is, if I take somewhere 3, you check the value of this. If it is a positive means keep plus sign above x axis, if it is a negative means keep that minus sign below x axis. If it is a positive means our wavy curve will start from above x axis and it will follow the same rules, and if it is a negative, then our wavy curve will start from below x axis and it will cut or it will remain same. That depends on the powers of linear expressions. That discussion already we have seen. Now let us look at this one. Now you see 2. Yes, 2 means here, what is the power? Even power. If power of any linear expression is even means we call it as double point, and if power of any linear expression is odd means that point is called simple point. Therefore, double point means sign will remain same, plus means plus only, because x minus 2 whole square is there. What is the meaning here? Either you take left hand side or right hand side of this one, sign will not change, positive only both sides, because remaining part positive, positive. Suppose before this already negative is there means x minus 2 whole, I mean right side it is positive, left side also it is positive, you will get. Don't think whenever even is there means both sides positive only. That depends on the value of the remaining factor also. Next, 1. Yes, 1 whole power 3 means odd, odd means simple point means sign will change, plus to minus. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is there, whole square is there, means even, double point sign will remain same, minus and minus only. 0 means x minus 0 whole power 4, double point sign will not change, minus means minus only. Minus 1 by 3 means whole power odd means sign will change, minus to plus, and next minus 2, x plus 2 whole power 4, root is 0 is x equal to minus 2, x plus 2 whole power 4 means it is even, sign will remain same, plus means plus. That is a sign scheme. Now you can draw wavy curve, because it is positive. And here it is a positive means it will touch and it will remain on the same side, whereas it crosses because negative sign. Negative and negative means again you see it will touch and it will remain on the same side. Again it will touch and it will remain on the same side, because minus and minus. But here minus 2 plus means yes it will cross at this point, and here plus and plus means it will remain on the same side. This is our wavy curve. If you are clear with that, basic points what we have discussed, it is very simple to draw and very simple to write solution of this one. Now I want values of x where it is less than or equal to 0. Where it is less than or equal to 0 means you see, where it is less than or equal to 0 means you check, here it is negative, here it is negative, here it is negative. That's all. These 3 intervals I have to write. Therefore, solution is x belong to, see, open circle means this should not be included even if it is less than or equal to 0. Open minus 1 by 3 comma 0 should be included, because it is the 0 of numerator. If you take it is equal to 0, 0 you will get, that is the solution only. Union closed 0 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 should be open. Why? Because 1 by 2 is a 0 of the denominator, point of discontinuity. union open 1 by 2 comma 1 closed, because if you put 1 it will be equal to 0 only. Is it the complete solution? Check it. Equal to 0 is also there. All zeros of the numerator are the solutions of that inequality. What are the zeros? 1. Yes, 1 already included. Next 2 not included, I have to include. 0 already included. Union set 2 I have to write, because 2 will be a solution of that inequality. Therefore, again I can write this solution, you see, 0 included, I can club this as minus 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. This can also be written as, because 0 included 0, I can club these two. X belong to open minus 1 by 3, comma open 1 by 2, union open 1 by 2, comma closed 1, union set 2. This is the final solution set. Once again you see this discussion. What I did first, it is of the form f of x by g of x. Write all the zeros of numerator f of x and all the zeros of denominator. And write these zeros in ascending order of magnitude. Take a real line and mark all these zeros. Minus 2, minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 2, 1, 2. Next, if it is a 0 of numerator, then mark it with a dark circle, and if it is a 0 of the denominator, mark it with a open circle. Because these are in the denominator, if you substitute x equal to 1 by 2 means it is not defined. Actually, you will come across that one in finding domains and ranges. Therefore, because a denominator x equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 2, if you substitute it will become 0 denominator means it is not defined, implies those are not in the domain of the function only. Domain means the values of x where it is defined. In those values only we need to take solutions. Now, you do not worry about that word domain. Just we are considering this as zeros of the denominator, because at those points a denominator equal to 0, it is not defined, therefore we should not take. That only you remember. Now, what are the zeros of the denominator? I observed 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 2. Minus 2 is there, open circle. Minus 1 by 3 is there, open circle. 1 by 2 is there, open circle. And remaining 3 zeros with dark circles I have taken. Now, sign scheme. Extreme right, because all our factors are of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta and so on. Extreme right positive. Next, this x equal to 2 or x minus 2. Observe power of x minus 2. If it is even, sign left side and right side of that point will be same only. Here it is plus means here it is plus 1. Because power of x minus 2 is even. Plus plus. Next, x equal to 1, that is x minus 1, power odd, that is a simple point. Therefore, plus 2 minus, if it is minus means plus. And 1 by 2 I check, 1 by 2 power even, sign minus means minus only. And next 0 you see, power even, therefore both sides of this 0 sign should be negative only. Because here negative, it should be negative. And next minus 1 by 3 if you take, what is the power odd? Because a power odd, here minus means next sign will change. Here it is plus, left side plus, right side it is minus, already we know from that. And next minus 2 if you take, whole power 4 means even. Therefore, sign right side plus means left side also it should be plus only. Now, draw the wavy curve, because same plus and plus means it will touch and it will remain on the same side of x axis. And because plus 2 minus means it will cross, minus minus means it will touch and come back, minus and minus means it will touch and remain on the same side of this one curve, and minus and plus means it will crosses, and plus means it will touch and will remain on the same side. Now, collect the values after drawing this curve. I want less than or equal to 0. Where it is curve lies below x-axis, yes, this portion, this portion, this portion. And of course, out of all these points, which wherever open circles are points not included, dark circles mean is included. Here it is open minus 1 by 3 to closure 0, union closure 0 to open 1 by 2, union open 1 by 2 to 1. And remember, because equal to 0 is also there, all zeros of the numerator should be included in the solution. 1, yes, already included. 2, not included. I have to write that union 2. And 0, yes, 0 is already included. Because here closure 0 and starts with 0 only, these two I can club, minus 1 by 3 to 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 to 1 by 2, complete all these are the solutions. But of course, these two are open only because both are zeros of the denominator, points of discontinuities, and 1 by 2 to 1, this 1 by 2 is not included, comma 1, union, this 2 should be included, that is the solution set. Hope you understood. One more problem we will see. Three x plus 1 whole power 5 into x minus 1 whole power 4 into x minus 2 by x plus 3 whole power 6 into x power 7 into x square plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Observe this. Here you see it is 3. It is always positive only, no effect with that one. Here x plus 1 whole power 5, x minus 1 whole power 4, x minus 2, x plus 3 whole power x power 6. And this one also, x square plus 1 is there, it is always greater than 0. And it is a positive real number. So, these two are always positive only. We least bother about these two factors. Numerator complete, this is less than or equal to 0 implies I can say x plus 1 whole power 5 into x minus 1 whole power 4 into x minus 2 by x plus 3 whole power 6 into x power 7 should be less than or equal to 0. This complete numerator by denominator less than or equal to 0 implies it is enough to take the values of x where it is less than or equal to 0. It is simple, like suppose 3x greater than 0 is there, that implies x greater than 0 we will write. Why? Because 3 always positive only. 3 always positive only, it is greater than 0 means it is enough to take the values of x where it is greater than 0, enough. Suppose x square plus 1 into 3x minus 1 I want less than 0. Here you observe, complete this product less than 0 I want, and since x square plus 1 always positive only, therefore, when it is less than 0, it is less than 0 whenever the values of x if you find where 3x minus 1 less than 0, enough. You can ignore this one because it is always positive, nothing to do this with this factor. This sign will depend only on this one, not on this one, because it is always positive. Hope you understood. Suppose if I take x square plus x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0 I want. Yes, earlier already we have discussed it is a quadratic, and where discriminant less than 0 b square minus 4ac, and since coefficient of x square positive, therefore I can say it is greater than 0 for all x belong to capital R, just you ignore it. What is the meaning ignoring means? The sign of this product will depend only on 2x minus 1, it will never depend on x square plus x plus 1. It is greater than or equal to 0 implies it is enough to take the values of x where 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. That discussion also very important to solve some problems. Therefore, now here you see, here 3 is there, it is always positive, that will not affect the sign of this one anywhere for any value of x. Even x square plus 1 also, because positive and positive always positive only, whatever the value of x you take, this will not affect the sign of this expression. Therefore, values of x for which this total f of x by g of x less than or equal to 0 is nothing but finding the values of x where this is less than or equal to 0. Just I can ignore this x square plus 1 and this 3. Now, as usual, our wavy curve method. First, write all the zeros, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 0. Write ascending order, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Take a real line, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. First, zeros of numerator and zeros of denominator, minus 3 comma 0. Yes, this minus 3 with open circle and 0 with open circle, because these are the points of discontinuities, that should not be included. And minus 1, 1, 2, dark circles, because in the solution they can be included. 1 included, 2 included. Right. Now, because it is of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta and so on, extreme right positive. 2, power of 2 odd, therefore sign will change positive to negative. And 1, power of 1 even, x minus 1 whole power 4, sign will remain same, minus means minus only. And 0, power of x minus 0 whole power 7 odd is there, minus means here it is a plus. Minus 1 whole power 5 is there, therefore sign will change at minus 1, plus to minus. And minus 3 whole power 6 means here minus sign means left hand side also minus sign only. Now draw the wavy curve. Observe these signs. Extreme right positive. 2 you see x minus 2 whole power 1 only, sign plus means minus. 1 if you take x minus 1 whole power 4 even, minus minus, same sign only both sides, because it is a double point. Double point means power of x minus 1 whole power even. And next 0 if you take whole power 7, minus 2 plus. Minus 1 if you take whole power odd, plus to minus. Minus 3 if you take whole power even, minus to minus, that's all. Now draw the wavy curve. Plus, yes will remain same on same side, plus, minus and minus, that's all, that is the wavy curve. Now I want where the values less than or equal to 0, collect. X belong to, here only I will write, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. Minus infinity to minus 3, minus 3 open. Minus 3 to minus 1, minus 1 closed, because it is a 0 of numerator, dark circle. Union minus 3 to minus 1 closed. Next here positive. Next union open 0 to 1 closed, 1 to 2 closed, complete I can take 2 closed. 2 closed, hope you understood. Open 0, 0 to closed 1, closed 1 to closed 2. Because these two are the dark circles, I have taken open 0 to closed 1, union closed 1 to 2 can be written as 0 to 2 complete. This also included between. Now, is there any value in the numerator which we have not taken? You see minus 1. Yes, it is there. 1. Is it there? No. That 1 should be taken, because less than or equal to 0, 1. Yes, 1 is also there. Now you check whether all the zeros of numerator are included or not in the solution. Minus 1. Yes, minus 1 is included. 1. Yes, in this interval 0 to 1 is there, 2 already included and remaining intervals we have collected. Therefore, it is the final solution set of this one. Right, one more problem. We will see this, observe this. Here it is of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta, here 2 minus x is there. So, what I will do here, and this is x square only, here also x, here it is x. First, what I am going to do here, because 2 minus x whole power 7 is there, what I will do first, I will make it as x minus 2. Here you see 2 minus x whole power 7 minus, if I take common, x minus 2 whole power 7, it is minus 1 whole power 7 means minus of x minus 2 whole power 7. And that minus sign multiplication, no, I can write minus of, here it is. See this, minus 2x minus 1 whole power 5, x plus 1 whole cube, x minus 2 whole power 7 by 2x square plus x plus 1 whole 1 only, x minus 7 whole power 4, x minus 1 whole power 3 greater than or equal to 0. Now, what I did, I have just taken minus outside to make this as x minus alpha type. Whole power 7 minus sign, that minus I wrote here. Now, multiply with minus sign this inequality. You know, if you multiply with minus sign on both sides, this inequality will change. Greater than will become less than will become greater than. That implies, I am multiplying with minus sign, 2x minus 1 whole power 5 into x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 whole power 7 by 2x square plus x plus 1 into x minus 7 whole power 4 into x minus 1 whole cube less than or equal to 0. Alright, these are two steps what I did here, minus I have taken common, that minus sign here. Now, from here to here I am multiplying with minus sign, that minus sign plus means here it is less than or equal to 0. Till here nothing I did, just I multiplied with minus sign. I could have taken directly this step, but to make you understand in a better way, I wrote step by step. Right. Now, here linear factor, linear factor, linear factor, linear factor, linear factor, no problem. Here it is. Observe this. It is a quadratic. If it has a factors, you write factors. That is, when it has a real roots, you can write those roots. Otherwise, check. What is a discriminant here? B square minus 4ac minus 7 less than 0. A big problem here, it has no factors. Whenever a quadratic no factors means, you know, either completely above x-axis or completely below x-axis. You check it now. Because coefficient of x square positive, it is of this type, therefore, it is greater than 0 for all x belong to capital R. Because it is greater than 0 for all x belong to R, this will not affect the sign of this expression for any value of x. You can just ignore this one. Like in previous problem we did. Here also, because it has no factors, means a discriminant less than 0, and since coefficient of x square is positive, it is greater than 0 for all x belong to R. Therefore, the values of x where complete it is less than or equal to 0 is equivalent to finding the values of x where 2x minus 1 whole power 5 into x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 whole power 7 by x minus 7 whole power 4 into x minus 1 whole cube less than or equal to 0. The values of x where it is less than or equal to 0 is equivalent to finding the values of x where this is less than or equal to 0. Therefore, now it is our standard form. Now, let us write all the zeros of numerator and zeros of denominator, and let us mark on real line, and we will find solution set. What are the zeros you see? 1 by 2, minus 1, 2, 7, 1. Increasing order, minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 2, 7. I will mark on a real line. I will take a real line. Minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 2, 7. Total 5 are there. Yes. What are the denominator zeros? 7 and 1. Yes. Put them with open circles. Because these are the points of discontinuities. It should not be equal to 1, should not be equal to 7. I have deleted those two. 1 and 7 open circle. And remaining 3 dark circles. Yes, can be included, and can be included. Now, because it is of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta and so on, extreme right, always positive. And power of x minus 7, if you see, x minus 7 whole power 4, even means a double point, sign will not change, plus means plus, minus means minus. Next to 2. X minus 2 whole power 7, odd means plus to minus. 1 if you take x minus 1 whole cube, odd, minus to plus. Next 1 by 2 if you take 1 by 2 whole power 5, 1 by 2 whole power 5 means odd means plus to minus. Minus 1 if you see, minus 1 whole cube means odd, therefore it is minus to plus. So, what are the double point? Double point means where the power is even, only one, x minus 7 whole power 4 is there. Only at this point sign will not change. For all other simple point, therefore sign will change. Now, draw the wavy curve. Yes, extreme right positive, because here also positive means it will remain on the same side. Next, for all these it will cross x axis. This is our wavy curve. Now, I need values of x where it is less than or equal to 0. Collect this and this, that's all. Therefore, solution set is x belong to, it is minus 1. Closed minus 1, because less than or equal to, and here it is a dark circle. Closed minus 1 comma 1 by 2. Union, it is open interval 1 comma closed 2. Now, observe any value of numerator included. Yes, numerator zeros 1 by 2 included. Minus 1 included, 2 also included. That's all. This is the final solution set of this inequation. See here what I have done. Observe. Here not all the factors in the form x minus alpha, it is a 2 minus x whole power 7 is there. To write that in standard form means x minus alpha, x minus beta and so on. Because odd power is there, if I take minus common, that minus sign will come outside and it is greater than or equal to 0. Next, second step, I multiplied with minus sign. Therefore, this greater than or equal to 0 has become less than or equal to 0. First step. Second step, linear, no problem. Here it is quadratic. Check whether you can write factors for that or not, that is it has a real roots or not. Discriminant, minus 7 b square minus 4ac, therefore it has a complex roots. Sign of this quadratic depends on coefficient of x square, because it is a positive, complete positive for all x belong to R. That discussion in previous lecture completely we have seen, even previous problem also we discussed. Now, the values of x for which it is less than or equal to 0. will not depend on this expression because it is always positive, just you ignore this. Therefore, the values of x for which it is less than or equal to 0 is equal to the values of x where it is less than or equal to 0, and it is the standard form. Now, write zeros of numerator and denominator and arrange in the increasing order of magnitude and mark all those on real line. Observe what are the points of discontinuities, and points of discontinuities means you mark them with open circles, and points where numerator equal to 0 or zeros of the numerator mark with dark circles, and draw the wavy curve and collect the values of x where your inequality will satisfy, that is less than or equal to 0 this, and also observe all the zeros of the numerator should be included because equality is also there. Yes, here 1 by 2 minus 1 2, minus 1 is there, 1 by 2 is there, 2 is there, all three are included, and denominator what are the zeros? 7 and 1, 1 not included, and of course 7 anyhow not there only. Therefore, our final solution set is this one. Hope you understood. Okay, this is what complete generalization of that wavy curve method. See here, if the rational function of the form f of x by g of x and it is x minus a1 whole power m1, x minus a2 whole power m2 and so on, x minus ap whole power mp by x minus b1 whole power n1, x minus b2 whole power n2 and so on, x minus bq whole power nq, it is greater than 0, or it can be greater than or equal to 0, less than 0, less than or equal to any one of the inequalities possible, where these powers m1, m2 and so on, mp, n1, n2 and so on, nq are natural numbers, and these a1, a2, a3 and so on, b1, b2 and so on, bq are real numbers. But of course, none of the factor in the numerator coincides with the factor of the denominator, that is where ai not equal to bj, where I will take from 1 to p and j will take from 1 to q. Hope you understood. Whenever they are giving inequality means, numerator factors completely different from denominator factors they will give. They will not give like x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square by x minus 2 will not be given. If it is given means again you need to cancel. This type of inequalities will already simplified form only they will give it. That is the meaning. Where ai not equal to bj, where I equal to 1, 2 and so on p, j equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on q. Now, a1, a2 and so on, ap are zeros of the numerator, b1, b2 and so on, bq are zeros of the denominator. First, write all these zeros in increasing order, that is zeros of f of x and zeros of g of x in increasing order you write, and take a real line and mark all these zeros, and zeros of numerator f of x with dark circles and zeros of denominator with open circles. Because zeros of denominator we are calling them as points of discontinuity should not be included, because whenever x equal to b1 means denominator will become 0, it is not defined as already we have discussed in problems. Therefore, you will see mark zeros of g of x with open circles, denominator zeros, and zeros of f of x with dark circles. You know, it is what dark circle we have seen, and open circle means just mark. It indicates or it tells us that this point should not be included in our solution. If at all equality is there means this point should be included in the interval, that is all. And now next point, check the value of the expression for any real number greater than the rightmost marked number. Means suppose all these are the marked numbers, rightmost marked if it is this one, you take any value which is after the rightmost value and find the sign of that one. Usually we are doing the problems by taking in the form x minus a1, x minus a2 and so on. Whenever all x minus a1, x minus a2, x minus b1, x minus b2 extreme rate always positive only. Already we have seen that. because rightmost value if you take, all factors are positive only if it is of the form x minus and so on. Therefore, rightmost always positive only we will get. Mostly we will be doing problems by making them, I mean x minus alpha, x minus beta, even if it is given alpha minus x. We are doing, I mean following that way. Suppose even if it is a3 minus x or a2 minus x is there, suppose you substitute the rightmost value, if all x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2 means you will get extreme right always positive. Somehow if some are not in that form, a3 minus x, ap minus x is there means check the sign. If it is positive means mark above real line, negative means mark below real line. And now, already I have explained what is a double point and simple point. What is a simple point? If the power of that linear expression x minus alpha is odd means it is called simple point, and power of that linear expression x minus alpha or x minus beta, if it is even means that is called a double point. What is the significance there? What is the importance of this simple point and double point? If it is simple point, left side and right side, I mean signs will change. Right side plus means left side minus. Right side minus means left side plus if it is simple point. And if it is double point, if the power of that linear expression is even, then both sides of that point will be same sign. Either both are positive or both are negative. Observe what are the simple points and what are the double points and draw the wavy curve. If it is positive means starting from above real line. If it is negative means starting from below real line. Below real line. And now after drawing that, suppose if it is our wavy curve. Suppose if it is our wavy curve. Now if it is greater than or equal to 0 means collect the values where it is positive, and negative means collect where it is negative, and that will be our final solution set. And we have seen problems also, and I will write some more problems for you to practice in this one only. Hope you understood this one, but of course you have to practice so many problems on this wavy curve method to get completely comfortable with this method. I will give problems on this. We will see this problem. Till now we have seen inequalities of the type completely they have given greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0 or less than or equal to 0. But here this greater than this expression given 1 by x plus 1. So because it is an inequality, you must be very careful while simplifying that. Can you cross multiply here? No. If you know that complete this number and this number are positive or negative, then only you can take cross multiplication by keeping same or by keeping this by keeping this inequality same or not. But here x plus 1, we do not know x plus 1 is positive or not. Even this one also positive or not, we do not know. Therefore, you should not do cross multiplication. So, what I will do here? 2x by 2x square plus 5x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 greater than 0 I can write. So, whenever your inequality is first one f of x by g of x greater than some h of x by p of x is there, do not take cross multiplications. If it is of the form f of x by g of x is greater than some p of x by q of x, do not take this f of x into q of x is greater than p of x into g of x, it is wrong. You should not take. Do not write that one. You can write only when you know signs of that denominators or numerators. So, what you do? You bring this side f by g minus p by q is greater than 0. This is the way you have to write. Now take LCM of this. It is 2x square plus 5x plus 2 into x plus 1. Numerator multiplication means it is 2x square plus 2x minus 2x square minus 5x minus 2 greater than 0. This 2x square will be 2x minus 5x minus 3x minus 2 minus of 3x plus 2. By denominator it has factors. These factors are x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. Yes, 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Factors are 2x plus 1 into x plus 2 only. Into x plus 1 greater than 0. Now, here minus sign is there. You multiply with minus sign and make it positive. Therefore, 3x plus 2 by x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 less than 0. Right now, our wavy curve method only. Now, we will write all zeros of this one. What are the zeros we will see? I will rub that one and I will write. What are zeros you see here? Minus 2 by 3, minus 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1. Yes, take a real line and increasing order. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Right. Observe this. Powers of all these are 1 only and equality also not there. Of course, if you want to keep these open circles, x equal to minus 2. Here it is open circle, minus 1 by 2. Here it is open circle and next minus 1. Here also it is open circle and it is a double circle. Dark circle and it is a dark circle. Now, because x minus alpha, x minus beta of the form extreme right it is a positive followed by negative, next positive, next negative, next positive, because there is no double point here. All powers of all the factors are odd only, 1, 1, 1. Wavy curve, start from here above, real line, next, that's all, that is the wavy curve. I need values of x where it is less than 0, here it is negative and here it is negative. Therefore, x belong to minus 2 comma minus 1 union minus 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 2. This is the solution set. So, every one of you please observe, whenever if it is directly given greater than 0 or less than 0 or greater than or equal to 0, you can do it. But if it is of this form f of x by g of x greater than some other rational function, if it is given, you don't cross multiply it, you bring this side and make greater than 0 or less than 0 and simplify this part and write it in the form x minus alpha into x minus beta by x minus gamma into x minus delta and so on, and take zeros of numerator and denominator and as usual apply wavy curve method. Mark all the zeros on the real line with open circles, dark circles, dark circles for zeros of the numerator and open circles for zeros of the denominator. Because it is less than 0, no 0 is included, even numerator zeros also should not be included, and here double points are there, not you check it, here double points are not there, that is powers of no factor is even, all through all zeros it will cross x axis, means real line, and collect the points or collect the intervals where it is negative, that will be the final solution set. Hope you understood this one. Here I have written 6 problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by using wavy curve method. You please attempt all these questions by your own. I have given complete concept. We practiced almost 3 lectures on this only. You practice each and every problem and write the solution. And take all the problems, copy all the problems and try by your own. And in the next slide, solutions I will write here on. You can check with those solutions. Hope you can do it. I think you must have done all those problems, and you please check with these solutions. Yes, this method of intervals or inequalities, we have seen step by step. I mean slowly starting from linear expression, I mean polynomial of degree 1 we have taken, degree 2 we have taken, degree 3 we have taken, and linear factors, powers even, odd, everything step by step, I mean we discussed. And at last f of x by g of x, when powers are of even and odd are their total, how to find the intervals where that rational function f of x by g of x greater than 0 or less than 0, all those variety problems we have seen, and we practiced so many problems, and I have given some problems for you. Hope you must have practiced all those, and generalization of that Wavy curve method also I have explained. This Wavy curve method really very helpful for us, while solving many problems in almost all the topics, not in a particular topic. Mostly we will be using this one. So knowledge of this Wavy curve method is essential for everyone. It is a must. Every one of you must know this Wavy curve method. Anywhere, whatever the topic you take, you may come across problems based on this one. This concept is very useful. And in the next class, we will be, doing some more concepts which are required for us in JEE syllabus. Till then, take care. All the best. Thank you.